think we are 𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏. So, posting is, how's this for controversy? Posting on social media is a waste of time. Hypocritical, isn't it? Feels a bit hypocritical, but let me get to it. So, at least posting on social media is a waste of time, but it's not nearly as effective as it could be without, here's the clincher, without a strategy. Posting or emailing your prospects is just adding noise to the cacophony of noise that's already going on there. So have you ever been somewhere loud where there are lots of people talking, but you find someone who's actually saying something that you want to hear? So you're able to kind of somehow dull down the rest of the noise that's going on there and focus your attention on that person. Well, here's the strategy so you can be that person. Join the narrative that is going on in their head. For example, I'm going to share an example so it all makes a lot more sense. Tonight I'm actually running a masterclass. This is truth, by the way. I'm running a masterclass on this subject. You know, what launch content gets your audience asking, can I buy it now? So some of my audience are, this is the example now, some of my audience are problem unaware. So they don't realize that they're not making sales and then their content, their emails aren't converting because of the type of content they are publishing. So I need to help them realize that this is a problem, which will shift them from problem unaware to problem aware. Now, at the problem aware stage, they know that there's a problem. They might even know what the problem is, but they feel frustrated depending on what you sell or offer. It might be a mental pain, it might be a physical pain even. They're aware of it, they're feeling it, but they don't know that there's a way out of there. So my content needs to help them realize that there is a way out of the suffering that they are feeling. So that will help them become solution aware. Now at solution aware, they might be starting to look around for how, you know, what's going to help them with people who resonate with them so that they can trust them, or you know, Googling it or whatever they might be doing, YouTubing it, however they want to fix whatever problem they're feeling. But they're still suffering, and they can very likely get to the stage where they just throw their hands up and say it's all too hard. But if my content helps them realize what their life will look like after they solve the problem and how much better everything will be, the impact it will have on them and their broader life and their friends and their family and all that sort of stuff, then I'm helping them move from solution aware to transformation aware. So by understanding them and talking to them wherever they are at on that journey, I'm collecting people all along the way. I'm collecting more and more prospects, or more of my audience, and more of them will start to think, wow, this person really understands me. Trust is built, and they'll want to know how you can help them. It's powerful stuff, but don't forget your call to actions, of course. So that's the concept, moving them from problem unaware to problem aware to solution aware to transformation aware, collecting them on the way, building trust, and then helping them out in the end to solve their problem. Hope you got something out of that. Have an amazing day.